up, guys? This is Will of Will H Tech Review, back with another video, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Pixel 4 XL. So I haven't bought a smartphone in a very long time, and I've been pretty comfortable with the devices that I have, but it's time for me I got the itch to buy another smartphone. So I was going to pick up the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. And the day of the pre-order, I kind of slept in, and I was thinking that, it wasn't going to sell out. And when I woke up the next morning, put it in my cart, I noticed that it was sold out when I went to check out. So I've been watching some videos from some of my favorite YouTubers here lately, J Will, Android Stud, Holla at Your Boy, people like that. And they've been talking about their experience with the Pixel 4L, the Pixel phone. So that's why I ended up picking up. Now, the only other Pixel phone that I've had was the Pixel 3a. And I really loved that device, but it was kind of small. So I'm definitely going to enjoy this device. So I picked up the 4 XL. I got the 128 gigabyte version as well. See if I can get this on there. Yeah, I got the 128. This is clearly white as well. And looking forward to using this device. I also have pre-ordered the Samsung Galaxy S20. And I got the regular one. I didn't get the Plus or the Ultra. So looking forward to that device as well. So some of the specs on this one has a 6.3 inch 1440 by 3040 POLED display, 537 ppi, 19 by 5 aspect ratio, Gorilla Glass 5, 90 hertz display. Really looking forward to that. So here's some stuff that's in the box. Get your SIM card removal, user's guide, all of that stuff we read later after we stop making videos. Some more specs on this. This has the Snapdragon 855 processor, comes with Android 10 installed, and like I said, I have the 128 6 gigabytes for storage version. The rear cameras on this are 12.2 megapixel, 16 megapixel, and that's capable of recording 4K at 30 frames per second. You do have a front-facing camera that's 8 megapixel, capable of recording 1080p at 30 frames per second. Has a 3700 milliamp battery, and Gorilla Glass 5 as well. Comes in clearly white, just black, and also orange. I almost picked up the orange one. So here's your charging cable. Type C to Type C. You get your little dongle there, little adapter. Type C to Type A. And then this is your charger. So I like the idea that everything is in white, as you can see. And this is a fast charger, I'm assuming. And I really enjoyed the 3A when I had it, and I got rid of it because it was kind of small, 5.7, 5.6, whatever it is. And that's kind of strange to say these days that a 5.6 or 5.7 inch display is small, but that's where we are now. So I was thinking about the Oso orange, but I just saw this Panda, or this white one, and I fell in love with it, and I figured it would be less of a fingerprint magnet as well. So here it is, just beautiful, man. I like the orange accent on the power button. There's your volume up and down, your speaker, microphone, and charging port. This side, you got your SIM card tray. At the top, a microphone. And then your cameras on the back, camera array and flash. And you just got the G logo. So this thing is really, really beautiful. I like the black trim around here. And that orange accent is nice. Very, very beautiful, man. Very lightweight as well. So let me go ahead and power it on and get my information in, and we'll take a look at it after that. Okay guys, so we're back in. I have my information in it and just had a chance to play with it just a little bit. No apps installed or anything. I really like the texture of this on the back of it. I'm not sure if that's glass or what it is, but it's really nice, man. The feeling of it. The string seems a little, I don't know if it's this wallpaper. Yeah, when I go to the clear white string protector, it's pretty bright. Clear white image on there. But as you can see, the brightness is all the way up. So it seems doesn't seem as bright as possible. So let's go in and see. Let's see how much storage is on this before I get anything out the box. So let's go down to storage, and out the box, 13.66 is used out of the 128. And let's go ahead and see. Let's see what version is on here. Android 10, and the security update is October 2019. So I'm sure I'll be getting some updates here. But yeah, it feels good, so good so far in the hand. Do notice a little bit of a forehead there, a little area there that's not all, the string's not all the way up to the top, the bezel there. And here it is next to the biggest other phone that I have, which is my Note 9. Like I said, the S20 is coming in, so the Note 9 will probably be handed off to someone else, or just put as a spare device. So you can see 6.4 versus 6.3. But I really like the weight and the feel of this in the hand, and just looking forward to using it. All right, guys, Will H Tech Review. Catch you guys in the next video. I'm out.